messages for the 12th of November. It is the 11th of the 12th. No, 11 and 12 is how much? 23. So you may be connecting to 23 Aquarius, 23 the star. Also Aquarius, we want to send our thank you to China. China has been aiding Jamaica when it comes on to the relief from Hurricane Melissa. So we want to say thank you to China. Also Canada, also our home, Canada, where this is being recorded and done from Toronto. OT, OT. There's never much love when we go OT. But OT showed Jamaica love, yes, with the aid for the hurricane. So thank you so much. Also, we want to thank the Nigerians. Burna Boy did, before all of this started, Burna Boy had donated a Birkin to Jada Kingdom. So the Nigerians had done their part in the relief. So we just want to thank everybody who decided to introduce themselves to Jamaica. We're also expecting aid and relief from the Germans. Your embassy is in New Kingston. So we are expecting the Germany to aid Jamaica while Jamaica go through this very tough time. The Chinese are already on it. I mean, duh, them control time. Anyways, other than that, yes, we're just hoping to may this destruction in Jamaica form a new friendship between countries that never thought that they could be friends with Jamaica. But you know, when you're friends with Jamaica, chances are you're going to be friends with China. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Aquarius, the star card. Let's go, Aquarius. We're going to start off with the wait. Let's go, Aquarius. Let's go. Let's see what's in your cards today. First card out, Aquarius, is the Two of Pentacles. So that's decisions. This could be decisions about where to spend your finances, who to help. Because the Two of Pentacles leads to the Three of Pentacles. That means you're starting a company. You could be co-founder of a company. Somebody saying, hey, if you invest, it could be a partner. Or it's just where to spend your money. It could be where to put your money so your money can make a return. Because again, the Three of Pentacles is the business plan. We have the Magician. Getting manipulation of money. Like you're taking money out of one account and you're transferring it over to the other. I'm getting something like that. Or I'm getting something about you managing your money being managing. I'm not sure if this is something like you're supposed to be getting money, but me getting the bank is not giving it to you. We have the Five of Wands, yeah. I'm getting something about money, manipulation of money. Maybe somebody stole a lot of money from you. Maybe a transfer was supposed to go to somebody else who was supposed to transfer it to you, but me getting they never did it. So maybe something is caught. Or me getting somebody convinced you to spend money somewhere, like invest in stocks, invest in something, give me the money, I know how to do it. Me getting a buy it and you never get. Maybe I buy something and you never got the product. Or me getting, it could be a bribe, the Two of Pentacles, the Magician, like somebody get bribe. Because me getting now, there's an argument about what you do with the money, or somebody saying it's not about the money. Me don't want the money, me need the product. Yeah, the Six of Wands. We have the 5 to the 6. We're getting a lot of... It's like something was up for bid. But we're getting... You know, like on eBay? I bought it on eBay. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heart. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I bought it on eBay. Right? When you go on eBay, sometimes you can bid or buy now. We're getting something was for bid. But me getting, when the time comes for the delivered, I don't know, me getting 5 to 6. One person got it. A lot of bidders, but only one winner. We have the Ace of Cups. People who want things, especially when they have the money to afford it, them don't negotiate prices. You negotiate prices when you can negotiate your options. You will take a less in, you'll say, okay, if you're buying a car, the interior is not as good, but if the guy is willing to give me a discount, we will take it. Some people, what them want is what them want. Them don't even ask about discounts. Them don't ever care. Them want the product. It's not about the price. It's about the product itself of what them want and what it means to them. Because there's a lot of expensive products out there and some people be like, yeah, it's expensive, but I don't like it. Let's clarify. I'm getting, or something like the quantity says 10. I'm getting when you go there is only 1. I'm getting a lot of people. You see how the people them is acting over the fucking Starbucks cups, the beer cups? Talking about, would you rather be in the fucking desert, in the forest with a guy or a bear? Obviously, women are choosing the beer. Starbucks made them choose the beer over the man. You saw them act over the Starbucks thing? No, one just said one couldn't afford groceries. Look how the government of Toronto say me's a liar how I have money. I tell the public, you see when I'm rich, I will tell you. I will not buy a car and buy a house so you assume I'm rich. When I'm rich, I'm going to say yes, I have it. So if you see me and I feel like it, I can. That's when me rich, right? You see, unnecessarily can't afford groceries. Didn't y'all just say that Section 8 cut off and homeless? So I want to find time for buy Starbucks cup. Let's clarify. The two up, you spend money on what you want. You cost the government and tell the government say them wicked. I'm not talking about those who are affected by this change. But not at the same influencers them come up and I buy and I talk about the whole thing and them can't afford groceries and the price of living and rent. So oh yeah, run go buy Starbucks cup and you document it. You're documenting it. The Two of Pentacles is clarified by the High Priestess. We're getting something about this woman. She could be an occultist. I'm getting it's like you buy something, but I'm getting you make a gamble. It's either you buy something and you can't see the face. It's like you buy a blurred image with a product description. The Magician is clarified by the 6 of... I'm getting you have to pick it up. Maybe it have to travel to you. It could be something like that. 5 of Wands, 5 of Pentacles is the Ace of Pentacles. Come getting somebody get a bribe. Come getting all 5 give. All 5 say yes, we want to participate in this. But me getting there was only 1 winner. Let's clarify the 6 of Wands, the 2 of Cups. Exactly, there was only 1. Everybody participated. Everybody bid. Me getting only 1 person get it. Or get the person they were bidding for. Ace of Cups is clarified by the 6 of Wands. Again. Only 1 person get what them a bid for. It was only 1. Ace of Cups, 6 of Wands. We have 6 of Wands 2 times. 66. Yeah. Like I sell a soul to the devil. You don't say, you know what, in 3 months, never sell my soul. You do it when you do it. You do it when you crave whatever it is. You crave so much over God's love and God's compromise. You just say, you know what, in December when it's cold, I'm going to sell my soul. I'm going to sell my soul around my birthday. No, you do it in the moment where you agreed. That's usually how it is. Let's get some of these and we'll leave it here. We have Aquarius. You're in the right place at the right time. You can't tell me I'm not good at this. We have Cancer. We have Evil. And we also have Ariel. Natural world healing, protection of nature. Let me see if I can get one more. Destiny swap. Gonna leave it here, Aquarius. Until next time. Bye.